Cock-a-doodle-doo! Festival Day is here! Good morning, friends! Welcome to Old MacDonald's farm.
And on his farm he had a tractor cart.
Look, Buddy, the birdie! The birds are flying! Wow, what a beautiful morning!
Everywhere vroom vroom, Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
What a wonderful day!
Good morning, Old MacDonald!
And on his farm he had a cow.
Are you ready for an adventure?
Let's go! Let's
And
go!
a moo moo there. Here
Good
a moo
morning,
there,
Old
and a
MacDonald.
moo moo. Old MacDonald
Look at my big red tractor!
Wow, it's amazing! Let's ride together!
Old MacDonald
Hop aboard, friends! Our farm adventure is about to begin.
Yay! I can't wait! Let's explore the whole farm!
With a Baa
Ready?
Baa here
Let's
and a
start
Baa
the
Baa
tractor.
there. Here a Baa Baa, everywhere a Baa Baa.
It's waking up! Vroom, vroom!
Old MacDonald
Off we go!
This is so much fun! Look at everything!
some chickens. E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here
Welcome to Old MacDonald's tractor adventure.
Off we go! This is so much fun!
Let's see which farm animals we can find today.
I see something ahead! Let's go say hello!
Look, friends! What do we have over there?
Wow! Cows! They look so happy! They look so happy!
Look! A friendly cow!
Hello, cow! She is so cute!
Moo.
The cow says moo.
Moo moo ma! Look! A baby cow! He is so playful!
Baby calves love to run and play. With a moo moo here,
And a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo!
goodbye, cows. Thank you for singing with us.
Bye bye, cows! See you later! Look! I see water! And there are ducks swimming!
Let's go meet our duck friends.
And they are following their mommy! They are so cute!
Ducks love to swim together.
The baby ducks are following their mommy! They are so cute!
Ducks love to swim together.
The baby ducks are following their mommy!
The duck says quack.
Quack quack!
With a quack quack here,
And a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, every quack, everywhere a quack quack quack.
goodbye, ducks. Thank you for singing with us.
Bye bye, ducklings! Keep swimming! Look at the little fish! They're swimming so fast!
The farm is full of wonderful surprises. Look ahead! Who do you see now?
Fluffy sheep! There are so many of them!
Hello, sheep.
You look so soft! What a fluffy friend! Baa Baa, Baa Baa,
The sheep says baa.
Baa Baa, Baa Baa. Baa Baa.
Here and a baa baa there.
Here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a Baa Baa.
Let's visit some more farm friends.
I see a chicken coop. I think we're gonna meet chickens. Look at all the chickens. They're so busy.
Chickens love exploring the farmyard.
A baby chick. It just hatched.
Welcome to the farm, little one.
Come sing with us.
The chicken says,
It just hatched.
"Welcome to the farm, little one." With a cluck cluck here.
And a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Look over there. I see horses.
Let's go visit our horse friends.
Wow, they run so fast. The horses are amazing.
Horses are strong and beautiful animals. Hello, horse.
You're so beautiful. What a friendly horse. Neigh, neigh.
The horse says, "Neigh."
Neigh, neigh.
With a neigh neigh here.
And a neigh, neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Look over there. I see pigs.
Let's go meet our muddy little friends.
They're playing in the mud. The piglets are so funny.
Pigs love cool mud on warm days. Hello, pig.
Your nose is so cute. And look at the little piglet. Oink. Oink. Oink, oink.
The pig says, "Oink."
Oink, oink, oink.
With an oink oink here.
Oink here and an oink oink there. Air. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Look at the goats. They're climbing.
Goats are excellent climbers.
They're so good at climbing. That baby goat can jump really high.
Goats love exploring and climbing. Hello, goat.
You're a great climber. You look so funny and cute.
The goat says, "Baa."
Baa Baa.
With a Baa Baa here.
And a Baa Baa there. Here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a Baa Baa. Look, all our animal friends are here. Everyone came to say hello.
What a wonderful day on the farm.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
All the animals are together. This is amazing.
Let's sing together one last time.
With a sister he
Let's hear everyone together.
Old
Cluck.
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Hooray! Hooray!
What a wonderful farm parade.
Everyone is having fun. This is the best day ever.
Thank you for visiting the farm.
We had so much fun. See you next time, friends.
Here and a neigh, neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh.
Goodbye, everyone.
Had a farm.
We had soon.
E-I-E-I-O.
Thanks for joining our farm adventure.
Had a dog.